My name is Mike Allen. I'm one of the owners here at Carfix. We've been here in the Garner area since 2005 and in Raleigh since 2019. But it's really been in my blood since before I was born. My family's been doing this since 1935. My grandfather had a shop in rural Orange County for over 60 years. My dad had a shop in Chapel Hill for over 30 years. And now I guess we're at 15 years and counting. One of the things that we do here at Carfix that I think is a key to our success is we invest in our team and their development personally and within their career. We like to sit down with everyone every year and talk about what their personal goals are, what their professional goals are. We write that stuff down and we revisit it throughout the year, and we can focus the training that we provide along those goals. You know, we've had obviously a lot of technical training. All of our technicians get 40 hours or more of technical training every year. We've also sent people to financial management training to learn how to better manage their personal finances, right? We've sent people to communication and leadership training, and it's changed lives. You know, I've had a guy tell me that the training we provided saved his marriage, and that's pretty rewarding. So, you know, if our team comes to us and they say, I need to learn about this new technology in a car, of course, no doubt, right? But if they come to us and say, I'm struggling with this part of my life, we can help them with that as well. And I think it's part of a holistic view to being a good, a good family. We're family, and that's important.